Bitcoin is up over 100% this year. And to be honest, I'm not surprised in the least. That's because Bitcoin is one of the most amazing wealth transfers that we've ever seen, that we'll likely ever see again. But here's the thing. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is still difficult for most people to understand, and not even just understand, but to buy, to hold, to store safely, to navigate the crypto waters safely. That's because cryptocurrency is still an evolving space with lots of potential. But if you don't have the right mindset and the right tools to monitor and safely guard your crypto assets, you are going to miss out on the future growth potential of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And that's where my course on verified investing comes into play. My name is Aaron Dishner from The Better Traders, and my course, Verified Crypto Guide on verifiedinvesting.com, is going to be the playbook that you need to get into the cryptocurrency space safely, to protect your funds, and to get started in this exciting and ever-evolving space. I'm so excited about this course that I want to give you all a sneak peek of the course. So check it out. The last common scam I want to warn you about are bot replies on social media services like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, the list goes on, TikTok. There are so many of these accounts, and it's so frustrating, especially for popular YouTubers. The majority of their comments, and you'll know it right away too, the majority of these comments are all talking about, they'll say something first, like to edify and talk about, like praise the video, like, oh, this video is so amazing, you've helped me so much, but not as much as Mr. Venezuela, San Antonio, who has helped me turn my measly $100 account into $35,000 in 1 week. And then they'll have this string of comments below the video, and worst yet, because of YouTube's algorithm, guess what happens to that first comment? This is how it works. So the bot starts this, and they have all these auto-generated comments saying, yes, that happened to me too. I know, I love Mr. Venezuela San Antonio, whatever I said. Mr. Venezuela San Antonio made me a millionaire in 2 weeks, all this stuff. And then on that initial message, what are they gonna do? They're gonna hit the like button on that comment. Why? Because that pushes it to the top of the comment thread. So what's the first comment that everyone sees on these popular YouTube videos? Scammers, every single time. It's always gonna be these stupid scammy bot comments. Thankfully, some YouTube channels, like my own, there are tools available. This one in particular is called YT Guard or YouTube Guard, which identifies these scammy messages. If you follow people on YouTube and you see this kind of stuff, let them know, because that kind of stuff, people actually read it and they decide to go to WhatsApp, they go to Telegram to talk to these people to find out how to invest with them. And it's the same as every other scam. There's some sort of desperation. That's why most people fall for these scams. There's desperation. That you want to protect yourself, you want to grow your account quick, you want to make a lot of money really fast, and you're impatient. That's a really bad place to be in. It's very vulnerable, and most likely you're going to get scammed. The main thing you have to understand about security is that things like 2FA, using unique emails and passwords, and understanding what to look for in common crypto scams, that's gonna help you stay safe, but you're only as safe as your mind and your password system and 2FA. You still have to use your mind. You still have to think rationally. Is that really Aaron Dishner sending me an email? Why would he be sending an email message to me? And why is this comment under Garrett's Twitter post talking about some other traders making a lot of money? Like, that doesn't make sense. A lot of the time when you're reading stuff, you're going like a dog, confused dog, like, what? Go with the confused dog intuition, because it's probably gonna be a big fat scam. So that wraps up this module on security. And in the next module, we're gonna be talking about exchanges. Finally getting into the meat of this course, where now we've done all of our homework, we've learned about blockchains, we've learned about coins and tokens and why it exists, and then we moved on to security and learning how to improve the security for the coins and the tokens and everything that we've bought and earned and hold. So now we're gonna get to the part where we're going to learn how to trade directly on an exchange here in this course on verifiedinvesting.com. If you like this sneak peek, you're gonna love the full-length course on verifiedinvesting.com. Click the link down below in the description to get access to the Verified Crypto Guide now.